everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick what's new on my bead mat. I have made two really pretty boho inspired necklaces, and believe it or not, even though it's December and it's a week and a half before Christmas, they are like pink and blue and just kind of like, I don't know, they're just full of color that have nothing to do with Christmas. So I just thought I would share them with you. I actually ended up taking one of my older, well, it was 2 strands of Jesse James beads. You know how they give us those really beautiful boho strands. I took one that was pink and I took one that was blue. And I forgot what it was called, Around the World or something. It was from like 4 months ago. And I mixed them with some of my leftover beads from the dollar bead box and a few of my other beads. So let's start with this beauty right here. I gotta lay it down in order to. So I did like a 3-strand necklace here. I love the way this turned out. So I have to get this. So this is it. And then what I did was I took this chain. It's like a very light rose gold. And I used this, and then I intertwined some of my pink and 11O seed beads, the metallic ones, and some of my, I think these are the 3mm Firestone, fire polish. So I intertwined them in between there, then put a lobster clasp, but I just think this turned out so pretty. And then it's not just plain chain, it's got a little bit of color to it. So then this is, it's kind of hard to hold it. I always put it on a bust at the end, but, so these are the boho beads from Jesse James, and these, and I think these. Then some of these are my own stash, and then some of these are actually from the bargain bead box, the rose quartz. And then this was, I think this was from Bargain Bead Box too. It's hard because I have all my little stash, and then I try to make something, and I try and keep them in the bag so that I kind of know. But I have everything separated by color. So, except for my adornable elements, because they're 2 whole beads. So I do have those together, but I don't have a huge stash of them yet, but give me a couple more months and I will. And then I did these really pretty earrings. I love the way these turn out. And what I did was I used the beading wire. Let me see, that's the beading wire that I used. So, and I used it for all 3 strands of these 2, except for the thing. And I took the light rose gold chain that I used around the top, and I started intertwining these, and then when I got to right here, I just took a piece of cut string, or I'm sorry, I can't talk today, cut chain, and I put it on there. So it's kind of hard to see how it lays when it's laying down, but so you have that little bit of a dangle there, and you could put it in the front too and have it like that, but I kind of like it just hanging from the back like that. So I think this turned out really pretty. So I have these 2 earrings. This is just such a beautiful boho, like, it's kind of like hippie-ish, someone who's like, you can pretty much dress it up or dress it down. So I did these. Let me move this to the side. Put these away. Love this. And then I did, let me get this set up so it's laying the right way. Okay. And I did this one right here. So this is my other little boho one. I think this turned out so pretty too. So these are all from the Jesse James, that bead mix, and these I think these are from the one that I used on the other one. And I have some of my shell spacers that I used, and some of my bicones, and some of my fire polish, and just seed beads. And I did this really pretty necklace. I think this turned out so beautiful. So I have this, and then I did these really pretty earrings to go with them. So it's just a really pretty set. Very feminine, very boho, you know. It's funny because living down in Florida, it's like everybody's freezing right now, and we're having another hot spell. So I guess it's kind of hard to, you know, when there's no snow and sleet, no head cold, it's kind of hard to get into the holidays as much down here, but I don't mind it. I don't miss the snow and the cold. So yeah, so these are my two pieces. I thought they turned out so pretty. So I hope you enjoyed them. Let me know down in the comments what you think of them. I have a lot more tutorials to come. I'm still waiting on my bargain bead box. It should be here for the month of December, and I'm so excited because I'm going to do 4 tutorials out of it. And I have so many ideas. Mine was late getting here. It was supposed to be here Saturday, but I have watched an unboxing of it. So I have so many ideas already for it. My mind is just spinning. So you got to stay tuned for that. I'm very excited. So I hope you enjoyed this. And I have all my social media below, my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Etsy store where I sell my jewelry. And let me know down in the comments what you think of this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I really appreciate all the comments and all the wonderful, beautiful, you know, everything you guys say, and just, you know, you keep me inspired to keep pumping out more jewelry. So let me know if you want to see anything special. I do have a list of stuff that I've read from people that have asked for stuff and tutorials, so I've got that on my list I'm going to be doing. So I hope you stay tuned, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.